AutoDS product import tutorial, eBay, Amazon, and AliExpress. Want to streamline your dropshipping business and import high-quality products in seconds? In today's video, I'll show exactly on how you can import products using AutoDS from eBay, Amazon, and AliExpress. You'll learn how to save time, optimize listing, and boost sales, all with a step-by-step guidance. So let's jump right in and get your store loaded up fast. All of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, the first thing that I want to talk about is what is AutoDS and why it matters. AutoDS is an automation tool for dropshippers, listing products, managing orders, tracking prices, and more. Now, the benefits of using AutoDS is going to be auto import products, sync pricing and inventory, automate orders, and lastly, reduced manual work. By using AutoDS, you can focus more on marketing and customer service while the tool handles the back end. Now, how can we go ahead and prepare AutoDS and our stores? So first things first, you want to go ahead and sign up for AutoDS, and then you want to pick your plan. So just click on the Get Started button, and simply once inside, you then want to open up or sign in with your account. Now in my case, I'm going to be signing up with my Google account right here, and basically simply on this page, you then want to select the store that you are going to link with AutoDS. So one of the most popular stores out there is going to be Shopify. So if you want to connect Shopify with AutoDS, you can just select Shopify. But if you want to do it with Wix, WooCommerce, Etsy, or even Facebook Marketplace, you can just go ahead and click on it. In our case, we are then going to select Shopify. And then from here, you then want to choose your plan. So we have the import 200, starter 500, advanced 1K, and the enterprise level right here. So the next thing that you want to do after simply connecting your store is to head over to the Chrome web extension, and then you simply want to search for the AutoDS dropshipping helper. Now, by using this browser extension right here, we'll be able to go ahead and simply automate the import process of our products to the supported suppliers, like once again eBay, AliExpress, and more. Now you can just go ahead and link supplier accounts if required, especially for Amazon or AliExpress. Now you can just go ahead and double check APIs and store permissions to avoid import errors later. And so how can we go ahead and start importing products easily? The first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to a product or supplier that you want to go ahead and open. Let's go ahead and say that I want to head over to eBay right here to find myself a perfect dropshipping product. And simply inside, you then want to go ahead and click on any products that you can see on the supported suppliers store. So in my case, it's going to be this specific item right here. Now once inside a specific item, of course, it could be any one of this item right here depending on your niche. But let's go ahead and say that we are selling this specific Sony headphones. Now to go ahead and import this product, it's as simple as opening up the Chrome extension that I've previously mentioned, which is going to be the AutoDS dropshipping partner. From here, you will be able to go ahead and see the import button. So just click on the import button, and from there you will be able to successfully import it with your link store. For example, in our case, it's going to be Shopify. Now before you go ahead and finalize the importing process, you want to make sure to customize the title description, the images, SKU and variants, the pricing formulas, profit margins, and shipping settings. Now, of course, the template is going to be imported also like all of the images right here, but just to be unique, you then want to go ahead and change those specific properties. Now you can just click on import and it will queue in the AutoDS website. So you just want to go through your AutoDS dashboard, click on imports to review and publish those quick imports. Now, you can simply go ahead and do the same thing for websites like AliExpress. You can just go ahead and navigate through their website right here. And simply once inside, you then want to select the item that you want to simply import to your store on AutoDS. So let's just click on this one. And once again, you then want to navigate through the Chrome extension, click on the import button, edit out the properties, and you should be good to go. Now, it will go ahead and work the same way for supported suppliers like Amazon, AliExpress, eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Temu, and more. So basically, you always want to reveal origin country and the estimated dispatch time for Amazon to consider using content rewriting and avoid trademark issues. Now, for AliExpress, you want to use product bundles or multi-packs to differentiate your listing and increase your profits. And lastly, you want to check the SKU for variants and add clear shipping details to avoid surprises. Now, once the imports are live, you can just monitor them under your AutoDS active listing. Each SKU syncs pricing and inventory with Supplier. So if a supplier updates price or stock, AutoDS adjusts or posts your listing. You can view profit and loss stats per item in the AutoDS dashboard. As a pro tip, you can just go ahead and review your notifications daily for out of stock items or pricing changes. Now, basically, you want to go ahead and use pricing rules to always maintain profit margins. For example, cost times 1.4 plus $2 on your shipping. You want to choose suppliers with fast shipping and good ratings. You want to monitor tracking reliability, prioritize suppliers with accurate delivery metrics. You want to regularly check your import listing for quality control. And that's your complete guide to importing products with AutoDS from websites like eBay, AliExpress, and Amazon. Once again, you can just go ahead and get the Chrome extension of AutoDS, navigate through a supported supplier, and from there, you can then go ahead and open up the Chrome extension. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more e-commerce tutorials, and drop a comment if there's another AutoDS topic you want covered. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Once again, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out.